Got to be able to live my dream being part of a land protection effort that really started with Sandy Island, and y'all know the story. My dad's best friend, Craig Wall, was trying to get a bridge across at the old ferry crossing there. And anyway, a great documentary if you haven't seen it on PBS, Saving Sandy Island. A lot of things happened, including Craig and his partner deciding to sell Sandy Island for a mitigation bank, which forever protected the majority of Sandy Island, which the refuge now co-manages with the Nature Conservancy. Refuge is, I mean, a lot of people look at the refuge like it's for the wildlife, and it is. Wildlife is one of our primary missions. So I'm really interested in community engagement. I want to find ways to make connections between the refuge and the communities around. To me, they're the biggest supporters because they're here the long term.
It feels good, don't it? Just ride with it. Ever had a good day? No, I mean a real good day. When everything seemed to go your way. You know you gotta remember these moments, cause they don't last long. That's why I don't sleep too long, cause they come then they're gone. People living in the city be getting it on. Living in the hood, stay getting it on. Even people on the island, hey, on a good day, get it on. So all of my people living in the city, please keep getting it on. Living in the hood, don't you stop getting it on. Even people on the islands, on a good day, get it on. Have you ever had a good time? No, I mean a real good time. All the stars are aligned, favoring your way. I found out I need to remember these moments, cause they don't last long. That's why I don't sleep too long, cause they come then they're gone.
Whether it stops floods or not stops floods, but helps mitigate flood events, if it provides clean drinking water, which I think is the economic engine for the whole Grand Strand. The rivers that provide the water are what basically are the lifeblood of our communities, and it provides recreational opportunities. You know, you can't be everything for everybody all the time, but if somebody hears the name Waccamaw National Wildlife Refuge, I want them to have a mental image of something. Whether it's they went there when they were a kid doing environmental ed, or they went with their grandmama that's hold a snake for the first time, or they kayaked the river, or they caught their first fish there, or they were baptized in that river, or their grandparents talked about being. I want them to have these connections.
People who live in Bucksport are constantly dealing with severe house damages due to floodings. The damages costing thousands of dollars for the residents to repair their home. Now, they want a solution.
No matter what, how many floods, this is home to me. This is where I grow up. I have seen so much growth in my community that I just don't want to, I want to stay here. I want to live here. I want to be here to see more changes in the community.